So if the child is growing slower than the falling rate, that is important. Then from age 2 to 4 years, height velocity is less than 5.5 centimeter per year. Age 4 to 6 years, height velocity is less than 5 centimeters per year. Age 6 years to puberty, height less than 4 centimeters per year for boys and 4.5 centimeter per year for girls. This is considered to be abnormal. Now, another important point is growth potential. How do we calculate the growth potential? We calculate the mid-parental height. So whenever we see the child for the first time, we check the mother's height, we check the father's height, and then we calculate the mid-parental height. So what is the formula for mid-parental height? For boys, it is father's height plus mother's height plus 13 divided by 2. And for girls, it is father's height plus mother's height minus 13 divided by 2. So we plot this on the growth chart. We plot the height at 18 years. Supposedly this is the mid-parental height. We plot it here. So how do we know it? If a child is following this percentile level and this is the normal height pattern of the child, so this is the mid-parental height plotting. The child is following his percentile levels. So this is the advantage of calculating the mid-parental height, because the child may be short for the community in which he is living, but he might be normal for his parents. So this we will get to know only when we know the mid-parental height of the child. The plotting, every child should be plotted on a growth chart. This is very, very vital. Using a growth chart for a pediatrician is almost like using a thermometer for an adult physician, thermometer, blood pressure machine, because before saying to any parent that yes, your child is growing okay, we have to plot it on a growth chart so that we can quantify that the child is growing well. So every child should be on a growth chart. Which child should be on growth chart? Every child should be on a growth chart. So we have IAP had made we use IAP 2015 combined boys and girls charts. It is color coded. For girls it is pink, for boys it is blue. So what we see is what we are using is from 0 to 5 years. We are using WHO charts, that is used all over the world, the same charts. From 5 to 18, we are using specific to Indian population, because it depends upon where the person belongs. The growth is affected by that place. So, and then IAP has combined both these charts and made a combined chart, that is 0 to 18 charts. On the below one are the weight percentiles, and above are the height percentiles. Similarly for the boys also, below are the weight percentiles and above are the height. Then on the back side of these charts, we have the BMI. As we know that obesity is another big epidemic that is coming, so every child's BMI should be calculated and then plotted after 5 years, should be plotted on the chart. Then on the back side of WHO 0 to 5 years chart, we have weight for length chart, that is there on the back side of this. And then this is the combined charts, and then we also have specific charts. It's waist circumference chart, girls waist circumference chart. Similarly for boys, all the similar charts are for the boys also.